In this System I/O tutorial, I'll show you how to create email marketing campaigns and connect it to a sales funnel or a landing page. Hover over the email and click on Campaigns. Click on Create, and I have to name it. Alright, so you are the only one that will see this, okay? It's just for your record. So click on Save Campaign. This is the folder, okay? So we'll go in and we'll start creating the campaigns. So click on Add Email. So this is the name of your brand or your name that you use to register. And I have tutorial on how to connect your email address and your private email to System I/O. And you need to do this, okay? Because if not, you cannot create this campaign. Alright, and over here will be your private email address, which you need. You cannot use Gmail, alright? So now I'm gonna name it. So you can use the visual editor or the classic editor. And I'll go with the classic because that's what I'm used to. Then click on Create. Alright, so don't worry about this. This email has been deferred. We are checking the quality of the... Okay, so don't worry about it. It's just a default thing. So now I'm going to have to create my message. So I'm going to scroll and... Okay, Control V. So I'm going to just... Alright, so I'll push this down 2 times. And I'll say hi. Then I'll use substitute variables. So this will be first name. Okay, then click OK. Alright, so it's gonna generate the first name of the subscriber by default. Okay, and I'll push this up a bit. Alright, so when everything is done, highlight this. Then I'm gonna right click and paste the link here. Okay, so this is the link. Then click OK. So I'll highlight. Actually, I'll do black, and the background will be yellow. Let's see. All right, so I'll keep it like this. I'll highlight this one too. Click on the link, drop it here again. Okay, so I just want to have like 2 links. So something like this is okay. And click on Save and Publish. Delay before sending email. So this should be 0. So it's going to be right away. So here, since this is the first email, there's nothing you can do here. You don't have anything to choose. So when we get to the second email, we'll use this. Days of the week when this email should be sent. Let's see. So let's say you can choose Monday to Friday. Then you don't want, let's say, Sunday or Saturday. Then you can tick it off. So let's say I don't want Sunday and Saturday. All right, but who does that? Everything is good. Then you click Publish. This email will be sent right away when people sign up. As you can tell, it's active. Alright, so we're gonna add another email. Add an email. Then the subject. So the subject, this is my subject. And I'll choose the classic editor. Create. Alright, close this. So I'll make this email friendly. Then I'll use the variables. First name. Okay. Then I'll add question mark. So WhatsApp, let's say WhatsApp Blogstorm. Then I'll push it down and I'll copy my message. Press Ctrl V to paste. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, because normally they want you to type it. Okay, so I'm gonna push this further down. I think I will push this down a bit. I will separate this. Separate that. Yeah, so this is easy to digest. All right, and I'll highlight this. Okay, make it bold. Click on the link and I'll paste my link. Okay, and make it bold. And the text color I'll white, and the background will be blue. Let's see. Yeah, something like this, just so it can stand out. All right, so I'll just keep one link. All right, so click on Save and Publish. We have to create the delays. So the other one was right away, like instant. People do it like the next day, every day, okay, but I don't do it like that. I do like second day, okay, or third day. It's up to you, but I'll do the second day. So let's say the first one will be Monday and this one will be Wednesday or something. So click on this arrow to change the minutes and days. So this will be days. Okay, so second day. So after they subscribe to the first email, which is how to make your first $1,000 online. The first one, because we didn't have any email set up, that's why there was nothing here. Okay, so they cannot get this email unless they've subscribed to this already. And like I show you the days and all that, I forgot about this, and click publish. Okay, so right now everything is active, 0 minute and second day. So the email setup is done. Now I'll show you how to connect it to your sales funnel or your landing page. Let me just close this first. And remember, the name is Make Money Online. So we'll go to funnels and I want to connect it to this funnel. It's called System.io. So click on it. Then click on automation rules, add rule, funnel step form subscribe. So when people subscribe, add action, subscribe to campaign. Okay, so when they subscribe to my campaign, you need to choose the campaign name. The email campaign name we set up, okay, is called Make Money Online. Okay, then when you are done, click on Save Rule. Rule has been updated successfully. All right, so now everything is connected. But let's say, for instance, in future you don't want it anymore, you want to deactivate it. You come down here, you see this, you can click to deactivate rule, or you can delete it for good. Okay, so anytime you are not interested in one of your rules anymore, or for some reason in future I want to change this rule and connect my tag instead, I'll come here, delete this, and when I delete, this rule will be 0 to 1. Okay. But right now I have connected it already, so when I refresh, it's gonna be 0, it's gonna be 1:1. So let's see, because I've connected it already. But if I delete this, it's gonna be 0:1 over here. Okay, so now everything is good. All right, and by the way, I will show you the funnel that I've connected these to. So go back to step configuration. Okay, so go here. So this is it. So now when people subscribe, they're gonna start receiving the emails. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.